what's going on in Chicago. I said the other day, what the hell is going on?
What's going on, y'all? Back in the kitchen, me and my daughter. We making salmon, what is that? Tostadas. So if you happen to run out of tostadas, let me show you what you do. You get the shells, the corn, right? See that? That's the hot grease. Drop that junk in the grease. Actually, the same way you make nachos. You just cut them up different. You cut them in little square, little diamonds. Watch that. Looks like we're gonna transform before your eyes. Yes, sir, Latin community. I love y'all, and I'm on to what y'all be doing. Good looking. And it don't really take that long. Yeah, it's transformer. When I pull them out, they're gonna be hard. They're gonna be golden brown. Check it out, y'all. Hold fast. See that? You give it a flip. Hold on. Voila, baby. Look at that. Nice and crispy. See that? And I left a little greasy, so y'all don't say that, whatever the same thing. You can season them if you like. I like a little seasoning. And that's that, man. That's the tostada. This is now this. Y'all stay tuned. We making some salmon tostadas.